In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a template or theme to another Hubspot account, a process that should take us about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect if you're looking to duplicate a design or theme across multiple Hubspot accounts, streamlining your work and ensuring consistency throughout your projects. To begin with, head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. You'll see the familiar Hubspot portal, and from here, you're just one step away from accessing all of your resources. Next, go ahead and click on the Login button. This will take you directly to your personal HubSpot dashboard where you manage your accounts and all of your content. Once logged in, you're now looking at the HubSpot home. This is where you'll find an array of tools at your disposal, ready to be customized to your liking. Find and click on the Content tab. The Content section is especially significant because it's where all your templates, themes, and ideas live. This is where you'll set the stage for your subsequent actions. Now let's focus on getting to the Design Manager. You're going to want to click on the Design Manager option. For those who might not be familiar, the Design Manager is basically your hub for all things design within HubSpot. It provides you the flexibility to edit, manage, and create new themes or templates according to the needs of your organization. Here in the Design Manager, locate the specific template or theme you intend to move. For this example, click on Test.html. This is where all the coding and layout for your theme reside. It's critical to make sure you have selected the correct template, as this is the one you'll be transposing to a different account. With your template or theme open, your next move is straightforward and simple. You're going to look for the option that allows you to copy it to a different HubSpot account. Once you find it, click on Copy to Different Account. This feature is particularly useful because it allows for easy distribution and utilization of templates without the need for manual recreation in another account. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a template or theme from one HubSpot account to another. This process not only saves time but ensures that your projects remain cohesive across different platforms. By mastering this skill, you can efficiently manage multiple HubSpot accounts and maintain a uniform style throughout. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy HubSpotting.